Hello, I'm Doug Backus, an ear, nose, and throat and allergy associates at Puyallup, Washington, and Proliant Surgeons, here to invite you to our 14th annual Seattle Otology and Rhinology, or SOAR course, which will take place on February 26th through 28th. My partner Greg Davis and I would like to invite you to enjoy our all-star faculty and learn the latest in technology and techniques in both rhinology and in otology. You don't want to miss this course, and if you just want to do didactics, we have a Friday-only track where you can just come for all of our lectures, which will be put together for one day. And for even more access, be sure to sign up for our SSF VIP Platinum experience. Our VIP package is designed to let you focus entirely on learning while we handle the rest. You'll also get a chance to be featured on ssfyoutube.org and our social media channels. Thank you for supporting the Seattle Science Foundation, and we look forward to seeing you as part of our group.